What's up guys, Roy here, and this is interesting. This is something really interesting. The Indian mid-range master Realme has launched two brand new smartphones, the Realme 5 and the Realme 5 Pro. As there were a lot of rumors and teasers from the official Realme pages itself, all about the quad camera, next level photography and a lot of specification. But yes, the launch date was also teased on Flipkart page. So these brand new smartphones were launched on 20th of August 2019. So today we will be talking all about the Pro version of the Realme 5 and we will be having its first impression. So let's start. So starting with Realme 5 Pro. The Realme 5 Pro has 6.3 Full HD Plus screen with Gorilla Glass and it is equipped with the Snapdragon 7 octa-core processor and that offers you 3 RAM and storage combinations. Their 4035 mAh battery that supports 30 watt of whoop fast charging, that's really amazing and fast. To be honest, the Realme 5 Pro is surprisingly smaller and more compact than the Realme 5, but there's no issue and this functions doesn't carry any kind of disadvantage though. Realme 5 Pro has got curved rear shell, amazingly glossy design and anti-slippery form factor. It is bit lightweight and that is also a kind of advantage to the Realme 5. The Realme 5 Pro has got Gorilla Glass in front for safety. With 6.3-inch Full HD display, you won't be having any complaint at this price point. Along with 16MP selfie camera on the water drop style notch, as expected, that's decent. The camera performance are also decent, but you won't be having any kind of complaint at this price point. The rear camera has the quad pack, 48MP of main camera and 8MP for ultra wide, 2MP for portraits and 2MP for extreme close-ups. No telephoto, so at this price point you cannot accept or you cannot expect any telephoto lens in this kind of smartphones. The Realme 5 Pro has an amazing battery capacity of 4035 mAh battery that supports 30 watt whoop fast charging. But sadly, you will be getting just the 20 watt fast charging adapter in the box. So if you need more faster charging, you have to buy the 30 watt faster charging adapter from the market separately. I'm happy that this time Realme has done a great job by shifting from micro USB to USB Type-C. And Realme has still retained the 3.5mm jack and that's great. The Realme 5 Pro runs Color OS as you have seen it in many Oppo devices and previous generation Realme devices. The design, the finish, the glossy design and the anti-slippery back, this gives a completely aesthetic look and that's great. At this price point, you won't be having any kind of complaint from Realme 5 Pro. This is the complete package and Realme 5 Pro may be competing with the Mi A3, Mi Note 7 Pro and lot of other mid-range devices. There are 3 variants for Realme 5 Pro. The 4GB RAM and 64GB storage start with 13,999. The 6GB RAM and 64GB storage start with 14,999. And the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage starts with 16,999. So that's great and this is a great deal for the mid-range smartphone. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please press like and please ask me any doubt or any queries in the comment section. Please share this video and while you leave, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So that's all for today. Peace out guys.